Earning your first $100 with affiliate marketing is actually really easy once you learn the tips that I share with you throughout this video. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and I create YouTube videos to help you make money online with affiliate marketing. So there is this mystique out there with affiliate marketing that it's impossible to make money. I come across people all the time that they say it's really difficult, that they struggle, that they just don't know what to do. But affiliate marketing, making your first $100 is actually really, really simple. The cool thing about this process that I'm going to show you throughout this video is that it can work with any product, service, niche, anything that you're interested in. And I'm actually going to show you two examples that are off the beaten path. So I'm not going to show you how to do it with ClickFunnels. I'm not going to show you how to do it with an online course. I'm going to show you two very real, very simple examples of things that regular other everyday people are doing. Okay, so I've been in affiliate marketing for quite some time, and I've answered a ton of questions when it comes to how to get started, how to make money, does it actually work? And watch this video because it works. It will work for you. I can almost guarantee it. As long as you put in the work, obviously, this will work for you. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go out and find a product or service. And there's a number of ways to do it. You can either become an affiliate of a product that you like to talk about. You could become an affiliate for something over on ClickBank. It really doesn't matter. For this process, literally anything will work. For this example, I'm going to show you two products actually sold on Amazon. One is going to be this Toshiba microwave. It's $149. It's the #1 bestseller over on Amazon. And the second one is actually with this little milk frother. Now this milk frother is $20. As you can see, I purchased it myself. It's only $20. It's the Zule Classic Milk Frother, and I'm going to show you a bunch of ways that you can do this to make money. Let me show you a few examples of a ton of people that are getting traffic to their content. Another question and concern that I get all the time is that you have to be this huge mega YouTuber influencer in order to make money with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you that this actually isn't the case at all. So look at the Zule Classic Milk Frother. The top result has 4.7 thousand views on 5 tips on how to use it. 3,000 subscribers. How to use the Zule Kitchen Milk Frother, 34,000 views, only 104 subscribers. So this should be proof that, literally anybody can do this. Look at this third result, 32,000 views, only 372 subscribers. And for good measure, this one down here, 11,000 views, 3,000 subscribers. So you can see that channels that are teeny tiny micro channels are getting tons of traffic. You don't have to convince yourself that you have to be some mega influencer. That's a smokescreen that you use to convince yourself that you don't have to create content or that it won't work for you. Let me show you about this Toshiba over here. I just typed in Toshiba and you can see top result, 6.6 thousand views, 9,000 subscribers, 1.3 thousand views, 3,000 subscribers, 1.6 thousand views, okay, 89,000 subscribers. But for the most part, tiny channels, tiny content creators are finding success. And what we can even do is we can replicate this and go over to TikTok and once again, and just look and see that people are creating content in this space and getting tons of traffic. So if you're telling yourself that you need to be this huge mega influencer and you need to have tons of subscribers and followers, you are just convincing yourself to not put in the effort so that you won't be successful. But you can see here, look at this one, 525 views, 1.4 million views. This is probably not on track, but you can see that there are lots of people that are creating content and finding success. So now that we see that this is in fact possible for content creators of all sizes, I'm just going to verify this milk frother into TikTok as well to show you that. Now we need to figure out how to get in front of these people. But if we look at the milk frother, 4,000 views, 15,000 views, 932 views, 676, 1,700 views. So lots of views with this simple milk frother. And whenever there's lots of views, there's lots of opportunity. So the first thing that you need to get out of your head, tip number 1, is that this will not work for you. It works for everybody. These people are virtual unknowns and nobodies, and they're doing the work, creating the content, and it's working for them. So tip number 1, stop convincing yourself that it won't work for you and that you need to have this huge following on social media. Okay, that is a smokescreen that you told yourself so that you don't have to put in the work. That's number 1. Number 2 is we need to, once we find a product or service, is we need to figure out what type of content to create. And this is actually really easy as well. We go up to the search bar, for example, with the Toshiba, and we just put in the product name. So what I've done, just to backtrack here, is I've copied the product name of this microwave, copied it just like this, and I've gone over to YouTube and I've pasted it in. And so now you can see that people are asking questions about this product, okay? And what you're going to do is you are going to create content about this product. Yes, you're going to have to put in some work. I apologize. People that feel like you don't have to put into any work to make money, those aren't the people that I work with. Those aren't the people that I like to connect with. People that aren't afraid of a little bit of work and are willing to put in the work to get the results, those are my people. Those are the people that I love working and engaging with. But if we look at this, we go down to review here and we take a look. You can see that there's 1,000 reviews, 6,000 reviews, or 6,000 views, 1.3 thousand views on creating a review. And what you're going to do is you're going to review the product. You're going to talk about the strengths, the weaknesses, the good and the bad, and you're going to provide an overall recommendation. Be honest with the recommendation. Don't just tell people that it's a great product and there are no issues. Another thing you're going to do is you're going to come down here and you might do something like unboxing like this, and you're going to create a video about unboxing the product. And you're going to get in front, look at this one, 28,000 views, 78,000 subscribers, simply unboxing the product. Okay, we're going to come back up here and we are going to delete this. And let's look at this one and see the views here. And what you're going to do is you're just going to create content using this exact keyword, okay? The base keyword is the Toshiba EM131A5C-BS, and then you are going to create content based on the keywords that show up, okay? And to show you, let's look at this milk frother. We're gonna hit the space bar here, and we might type in review after, like that, and you're gonna create a review. And this works for literally any product or service that you have. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to create a few different videos, okay? One video isn't going to cut it for our technique to earn $100. The more content you put out onto the internet, the higher your chances of earning a commission. So if we come back over here to the Toshiba, we can do specifications and we could create a video about specifications. If you run out of YouTube video options, come over here to Google and you're going to paste in your keyword once again, and you're going to look at people also ask, and you're going to create content here. If we scroll down to the bottom, you can also look at related searches. So if we do, let's do this one from Best Buy. We're going to copy this like this, and we're going to put it right into YouTube. Now you can do the exact same thing for TikTok. And the reason why I recommend TikTok is TikTok videos now rank on Google. But you can see that people are creating content in this space and they are getting lots of traffic. And you can do this with any product or service out there. I recommend that you find a product that you've picked up around the house and you start there to get the traffic that you're looking for to earn your first $100. Now, once you have your first $100, you can scale to $1,000 per month. And I've actually put together a workbook that will help you step by step on how to scale to $1,000 per month. I'll actually put a link in the description to help you get to that $1,000 per month and scale even further if you are interested in doing that. But as you can see here, literally anybody can make their first $100 with affiliate marketing, and it's painfully easy. It's something that anybody can do. It doesn't take a lot of time. Maybe it takes an hour, maybe an hour and a half. If you are brand new to creating content, you can do this. You should do this, and you should start doing this right after this video. Now that you know how to make your first $100 with affiliate marketing, watch this video to help you learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing so you can scale up to that next level.